How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. This is Ankita Berde. Once again, welcome you all on my YouTube channel. We are dealing with the liquid oral preparations. In previous classes, we had finished up with the monophasic liquid dosage form. In that, we had seen about the solution, elixir and syrup. If you not watched that my previous video, then under the playlist of pharmaceutics theory, you will get the link for that. After that, our next part in the liquid oral preparations, it is the biphasic liquid dosage form. Biphasic means that it contains the two phases. Similarly, see, like in our solution contains the solute and solvent. This is case in our solution. Similarly, here in our the biphasic liquid dosage form or our today's topic of the discussion, it is the suspension. Solute is our drug and solvent is our vehicle. सोल्यूट म्हणजे काय आहे तर आपला ड्रग आहे, आपला ऍक्टिव्ह फार्मास्युटिकल इन्ग्रेडियंट आहे आणि सॉल्व्हंट म्हणजे काय तर व्हेइकल आहे की ज्याच्यामध्ये आपण ते डिस्पर्स करणार आहोत. So our today's topic of the discussion, it is the suspension, a biphasic liquid dosage form. First we will see the definition of suspension. We will define suspension as a biphasic liquid dosage form in which the solid drug particles which are ranging from the size 0.5 to 5 micron. This size is very important. This value is very important. That is the particles ranging from the size 0.5 to 5 micrometer are dissolved or dispersed in our vehicle. That is dispersed in our liquid or semi-solid vehicle. म्हणजे काय? सस्पेन्शन हा बायफेजिक लिक्विड डोसेज फॉर्म आहे. त्याच्यामध्ये दोन फेजेस असतात. एक फेज असते ती म्हणजे सी हियर यू कॅन सी हियर डीपी अँड सीपी. डीपी दॅट इज अवर डिस्पर्स फेज अँड सीपी इट्स अवर कंटिन्युअस फेज. सो डिस्पर्स फेज म्हणजे काय? डिस्पर्स फेज इज अवर सॉलिड ड्रग पार्टिकल्स अँड सीपी स्टँड्स फॉर continuous phase. Continuous phase means what? Our vehicle in which where we are that is dispersing our drug molecules. That is our CP stands for continuous phase and DP is our dispersed phase. So J particles which are ranging from this size 0.5 to 5 micrometers, they are dispersed in the vehicle, that is a liquid vehicle or semi-solid vehicle. This is the simple definition of our suspension. Then the particle size of this dispersed phase matters very much in case of the suspension. Then in that suspension, see the suspensions which are applied externally means which are applied topically. In that our lotions are there. So that their particle size should be small. जे लोशन्स आपण वापरतो त्याची पार्टिकल साइज आहे ती स्मॉल असली पाहिजे. दॅट इट शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम दी ग्रिटीनेस अँड इट शुड कव्हर दी मेजर एरिया फॉर दी ॲप्लिकेशन. जेव्हा आपण कशावरती हातावरती लोशन अप्लाय करत असतो त्यावेळेला दॅट शुड बी फ्री फ्रॉम ग्रिटीनेस आणि मेजर एरिया त्याने काय केला पाहिजे? अप्लाय केला पाहिजे. अँड सी व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट वेन देर इज अ स्मॉलर पार्टिकल साइज. पार्टिकलची साइज जेव्हा स्मॉल असते that time there is a greater rate of the dissolution. When there is a, see now very important, smaller particle size, in that case there is a dissolution, greater area or there is a dissolution rate is greater when there is a smaller particle size. And the suspensions which are parenterally used, so their particle size should be such that it should be easily flow through the needle of the syringe. जी काही syringe आहे ती needle आहे त्याच्यामधून ते जे आपलं सस्पेन्शन आहे ते इझिली काय झालं असलं पाहिजे तर फ्लो झालं पाहिजे. Then now see the qualities of the good suspension. So that ideal suspension that should be settled slowly, that is it should be sediment very slowly and it should be easily redispersed. Easily redispersed म्हणजे काय? See on the suspension bottle, if you see example is gelocin, that is antacid is there. So there is a always written on the container that is shake well before use. आता आपल्या ह्याच्यामध्ये काय असतं, कंटेनर आपली बॉटल आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये व्हेकल असतं आणि ड्रग असतो. म्हणजे आता इथे काय असतं, इनसोल्युबल मेडिकामेंट, इनसोल्युबल सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स आहेत, ती काय केलेली असतात तर डिस्पर्स केलेली असतात आपल्या सस्पेन्शनमध्ये. सो जेव्हा आपण बॉटल शेक करू तेव्हा काय व्हायला पाहिजे की आपला ड्रग अँड दिस कंटिन्युअस फेज ते शुड बी युनिफॉर्म डिस्ट्रीब्युशन झालं पाहिजे, मीन्स इट शुड बी इझिली रिडिस्पर्स. Then second point that when we are pouring it म्हणजे काय, सपोज आय टेक अ स्पून घेतला, बॉटल घेतली आणि काय करत असेल, पोअर करत असेल. सो ते काय झालं पाहिजे, इझिली पोअर करता आलं पाहिजे, दॅट इट शुड बी पोअर रेडी. Then third is it should be chemically stable, it should be chemically inert, they should not produce any reaction or any chemical reaction or any precipitation reaction in between the vehicle or in between the ingredients or in between the suspending agent. Then last that it should not form the केक फॉर्मेशन होतं, म्हणजे डिफ्लॉक्युलेटेड सस्पेन्शन आहे, त्याच्यामध्ये काय होत असतं तर केकचं फॉर्मेशन होतं. म्हणजे ह्याच्यामध्ये सॉलिड ड्रग पार्टिकल्स आहेत, आपण काय केले, लॉंग टाइम पर्यंत ते जर स्टोअर करून ठेवले तर ते नंतर शेवटला काय होतात, खाली म्हणजे बॉटमला तळाला जातात त्या बॉटलच्या आणि इथे ते केकचं फॉर्मेशन करत असतात. आणि जेव्हा आपण ते रिडिस्पर्स करतो तेव्हा परत ते युनिफॉर्मली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होत नाही. So it should not form the cake. And fifth one it should be free from the larger particles. म्हणजे कसले त्याचे पार्टिकल साइज आहे ती स्मॉल असली पाहिजे. काय स्मॉल असली पाहिजे, बिकॉज when there is a smaller particle size then there is a greater rate of the dissolution. Then large particle size असेल तर आपलं जे प्रिपरेशन आहे ते प्रिपरेशन स्पॉइल होतं, त्याचा अपीअरन्स आहे तो अपीअरन्स सुद्धा काय व्हायला लागतो, स्पॉइल व्हायला लागतो. So that's why it should be free from the large particles. These are the good qualities of the suspension. Then now we will see, after the qualities we will see the classification of suspension. So it is divided into the four main classes. First is oral, second parenteral, third ophthalmic, and fourth one it is the suspension for external use. First one it's a oral suspension. Oral suspension म्हणजे काय, which are used orally. Patient consume that suspension by the oral route. This is very advantageous. Those patients who are having the problem in the swallowing, some pediatric patients are there, some geriatric patients are there, or some patients are there, they have this problem of the swallowing. So in that cases this oral suspension are useful. And see here, oral suspension मध्ये काय असतं की ड्रग जो काही आहे, ड्रग इट इज डिस्पर्स, इनसोल्युबल सॉलिड मेडिकामेंट्स ते डिस्पर्स केलेले असतात व्हेइकलमध्ये. सो दॅट्स वाय जे पेडियाट्रिक पेशंट, जेरियाट्रिक पेशंट्स आहेत ते काय करू शकतात की ज्यांना स्वॅलोइंगचा प्रॉब्लेम आहे ते तो ड्रग आहे तो इझिली घेऊ शकतात. Then another in case of oral suspension, some drugs are having the bitter taste, example chloramphenicol. So that chloramphenicol can be made stable by using its salt, that is chloramphenicol palmitate. त्याची bitter taste आहे, that bitter taste is masked by using the salt, that is chloramphenicol palmitate. And see, oral suspension चा डिसएडवांटेज काय आहे तर इट रिक्वायर्स द मेजरिंग डिव्हाइस, म्हणजे 5 ml मेजर करायचं आपल्याला 10 ml मेजर करायचं, त्याच्यासाठी मेजरिंग डिव्हाइस लागतं. Then another one, the bottle, we should shake that bottle before use. ती बॉटल कंपल्सरी काय करावी लागते, आपल्याला शेक करावी लागते. अँड डोसिंग मध्ये म्हणजे ॲक्युरसी नसते. आपण 5 ml घेताना 4 ml तो डोस घेत असताना कदाचित 4 ml सुद्धा येऊ शकतो किंवा ग्रेटर दॅन दॅट 6 ml सुद्धा होऊ शकतो. सी दॅट ॲक्युरसी इज नॉट देअर इन केस ऑफ दी ओरल. हे झालं ओरल सस्पेन्शन. Then second आहे ते म्हणजे parenteral suspension. Parenteral suspension means what? Those suspensions which are taken by the parenteral route, means these are the injections. Parenterals म्हणजे काय? Parenterals is nothing but our injections. Parenterals म्हणजे आपले काय आहेत तर injections आहेत. So these parenteral suspension should have ideal property that it should be easily passed through the syringe of the needle. Then particle size should be small. म्हणजे काय, particle size small असली पाहिजे, so that's why it will easily pass through the syringe of the needle. Then there should not be formation of any crystal growth during this storage. Then the solid particles, the concentration of the solid particles in the parent role, that should be 0.5 to 30%. कशाचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन? पॅरेंट रन मध्ये सॉलिड पार्टिकल्सचं कॉन्सन्ट्रेशन किती असतं? 0.5 to 30%. Then that should be isotonic with the blood pH, that it should have viscosity. Then हे झालं पॅरेंट्रलचं. Then third one आहे ते ophthalmic. Ophthalmic, that these suspensions they are not used regularly as compared to the eye drop. Eye drop it's a common form. Ophthalmic म्हणजे काय? The preparations which are used for the treatment of our eye, that is the ophthalmic preparation. Ophthalmic suspensions they are not commonly used as compared to the ear drop, but they are used in that cases when the drug is insoluble or when that drug is not stable in the liquid form. Drug जेव्हा काय असेल? insoluble असेल किंवा drug आहे आपला तो liquid form मध्ये stable नसेल, that time these ophthalmic suspensions are used. These ophthalmic suspensions should be isotonic. These ophthalmic preparations should be sterilized and it should have the that is standard pH, and it should have the viscosity that we can pack in the container and we can easily instill into the eye. त्याची viscosity is that enough तो आपल्याला कंटेनर मध्ये पॅक करून ठेवायला आला पाहिजे and we can instill this into our eye. This is the ophthalmic suspension. Then last type in that suspension for external use. So suspension for external use, that is our lotions are comes under this category. In the calamine lotion is best example of this suspension for the external use. In that the particle size should be smaller. So smaller particle size so that it should cover the greater area for the application. It should be free from the gritty substances. And see whenever we are using this suspension on the skin, so that time what happen? They leave the medicament on the skin, they leave the layer of the medicament or they form the film on our skin and they are evaporated. Calamine lotion जेव्हा आपण काय करतो? स्किन वरती अप्लाय करतो, सो तो मेडिकमेंट आहे तो जो अप्लाय करतो आपण, दॅट इज लिव्हिंग ऑन अवर स्किन, तो आपल्या स्किन वरती राहतो and it is evaporate आणि तो बाकीचा पोर्शन आहे तो काय होत असतो? तर इव्हॅपोरेट होत असतो. दॅट इज लॅक्टोकॅलामाइन लोशन, कॅलाड्रिल लोशन. These are the examples of this suspension for external use. Okay, so this is we had seen, that is the definition of the suspension in which the solid particles ranging from 0.5 to 5 micrometer they are dispersed in the vehicle. There are two phases dp, that is dispersed phase and continuous phase. Dispersed phase, that is our solid particles, and continuous phase is our vehicle. Then we had seen the ideal properties of the suspension, that it should be settled slowly, it should be redispersed easily, it should not form the cake, they should be chemically inert, then it can be poured easily, and it should be free from the large particles. Then we had seen the classification of suspension, that is oral suspension, parenteral suspension, ophthalmic suspension, and suspension for external use. Okay, so this is all about the today's discussion. In the next class we will see the formulation of suspension. Thank you so much for your attention. Thank you so much for fully watching this video since long time. Happy learning, stay safe. If you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe first and press the bell icon. If you like this video, then please press the like button. Happy learning, stay safe. Thank you.